my channel Nit's World. Hair care plays a very essential part in self-care regime. We face a lot of hair problems like hair fall, dandruff, frizzy hair because we are using lot of colors. Me and my family, we use homemade hair oils with the ingredients which are easily available in your kitchen. We have benefited a lot, so I thought why not share the recipes with you. So in this video I'm going to make 3 hair oils. One for hair regrowth, for preventing hair fall. So third hair oil can be used by all hair types. I have good volume of hair, so I thought why not make others benefited from this. I hope you all make use of this. So the first hair oil which we are going to make is for hair regrowth, ताकि आपके बाल दोबारा आ जाए. So the ingredient which we have used is olive oil. I have taken Figaro one. You can take any olive oil, and this is 1 tablespoon. The next oil is castor oil. Again, this is 1 tablespoon. This is easily available at any chemist shop also. And the third ingredient is Rogan Badam Shireen. This is हमदर्द का, आप किसी का भी ले सकते हो. This is 1 tablespoon. 1 cup of coconut oil. If you get virgin oil, then there is nothing like it. And last but not the least is 5 to 6 curry leaves. I'll add 1 hibiscus flower also. So we are going to put 1 cup of coconut oil. Just ensure that there is no water in your cooking vessel. Next I'm going to add the castor oil and olive oil. Mix it nicely. So you can see the color has also changed. Now it is the time to add our curry leaves. Be careful. Now I'll be adding hibiscus flower also. So the color of curry leaves and the flower has changed. Now the last ingredient, which is badam oil, has to be mixed, and we will let the oil cool and straining it. Our oil for hair regrowth is ready. So I'm making a hair oil which suits all type of hair, and you can use it throughout the year. The first ingredient is aloe vera. I have cut the sides as you can see, and I've made about 7 to 8 pieces of it. Aloe vera promotes hair growth and conditions the hair basically. This is fenugreek seeds. I've soaked them overnight. They strengthen the hair and improve the texture. This is almond oil which I have taken, and it is also very good. It provides moisture to the scalp. These are pepper. They are very rich in vitamin C and clean the dead cells in a jiffy. Next is khaskhas or poppy seeds. They stimulate the blood flow. These are onions which are also very good for hair. They are rich in sulfur and they prevent premature graying of hair. I have taken amlas. Amlas prevent graying and dry scalp. And these are few leaves which I have taken. These are brahmi leaves. If you have a plant, you can use fresh. I didn't have, so I have used dried leaves. It prevents hair loss and split ends. These are curry leaves which are very good for hair. And I have used tulsi leaves also. Tulsi leaves, they remove all unwanted toxins. These are leaves, hibiscus leaves we are having, and they are also very rich. We have hibiscus flowers, 4 to 5 I have taken. These are rich in vitamin C and amino acids and stimulate hair regrowth. These are neem leaves which are antibacterial, antifungal and anti-inflammatory. And last but not the least is coconut oil. If you have virgin coconut oil, nothing like it. Otherwise you can use parachute hair oil. And for this we will be using about 3/4 of a liter. So I'm taking about 10 pieces of aloe vera, 1, 2 tablespoons of fenugreek, pepper, 2 teaspoons of khaskhas, 4 to 5 hibiscus leaves, tulsi, handful of curry leaves, 8 to 10 neem leaves, brahmi, hibiscus flower, little bit of almond oil, amla, 1 onion. So I have grated this. This is how the mixture looks like. So here I am putting the oil. Make sure the pan is absolutely dry. So this is getting heated on low flame and keep on stirring it in between. So it's been almost 15 minutes. You can see the color. I can hear the sizzling sound. It's done. We'll wait for it to cool and then we'll strain it. These oils can be stored in fridge for at least 4 to 5 months and very less quantity is applied. You should actually, the correct way of applying oil is take cotton, dip it in oil and apply on the roots, and you should keep it for 1.5 hours to 2 hours maximum and then have hair bath. So we're going to strain it and you can just press it so the oil comes out. I'll just show you the oil. Yeah, nice color. So next oil we are going to make with the help of onions and coconut oil. So I take about 2 medium-sized onions and 3/4 cup of coconut oil. If you can get virgin coconut oil, it is well and good. Otherwise, parachute oil will do. So we put the onions in the grinder. So this is our paste, and we are going to put coconut oil. We can see the onion has started turning brown. We have to wait for it to turn fully brown, and we should do this on low flame. Done. And if this smell bothers you, you can add essential oil 2 or 3 drops. Otherwise, we'll take a muslin cloth and strain this. Here we are staining. I have taken malmal cloth or cheesecloth.